Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Toyota Verso. So from any screen you've got setup there. If you go into setup, you've got general Bluetooth and telephone, Bluetooth in the middle, click on there. Registered devices, connect telephone, connect audio player, detailed Bluetooth settings. So we're going to registered devices there. You can see there's just mine. This is a little bit confusing because you've got add new, remove and details, and it looks like it corresponds to the lower ones, but we want to remove. So if I click remove, Barry's iPhone 12p, click on that, remove this device, yes, device removed.